Greetings to all. This evening I will demonstrate the method to acquire money without any cost to spend on the Play Store, therefore free credit from Google thanks to two services. Google Play Points is a rewards program that is part of the Play Store experience, and Google Opinion Rewards, which is a program that pays users for completing surveys. Let's immediately go to the Play Store with Play Points. If you tap on your profile picture, situated directly below the management of your account, you will effortlessly find PlayPoint. In your case, if you have never activated it, you can activate it. By clicking on it, let's delve into the details of this particular competition. Basically, a type of point collection, accumulating points that can subsequently be transformed into Play Store credit. So let's immediately see the home page that shows us how to earn these points. Firstly, through spending. Each time we spend a single euro, in my particular circumstance, I am able to acquire a total of 1.1 points through my efforts and activities. Since I am currently at the silver level, which is the second level that I have achieved in my membership. With these points, therefore, if at any time during 2024, reach the points to be silver for the entire following year, so 2025, you will be silver, and you will have the advantage of possessing a few more points than the other participants in the competition. The basic level, which is bronze, as you can see, also provides us with information about the points that we need in order to move to the gold level, and below there are some specific tabs, particularly these ones. The items that I am currently scrolling through are PlayPoint points boosters that can be obtained in the game by making purchases within specific apps. So if you activate the booster for this game, in this particular instance, the war game, if you make a purchase of €1 within the war game itself, you have the option to acquire 4 points instead of the conventional single point beyond these. Tabs that you currently see typically at the bottom, there are additional tabs that are present. Those are the cases where Google provides you with 5 points in order to test out an application for. Just download the application without even opening it for at least a day. So without granting any access permissions to our data and simply remove it 24 hours later, we will obtain 5 points for every application in general. A total of 4 or 5 applications are subsequently suggested after the screen where it displays the options. To observe how we can generate income, let us observe how we can utilize these funds. Points. So first let's see the points balance. Let's see the expiration date. Some points that are not all, but let's take a look at the expiration date of the points and see what we find. Let's review the history of the points earned, and then below everything we can see the detailed record of our accumulated points. Purchase using these points. Specifically, what items can we purchase? We have the option to buy particular coupons for particular applications. In this scenario, the initial one. Angry Birds provides us with valuable coupons at a discounted price of €4 for every 200 points that we accumulate while enjoying the game. Usually, if we buy credit, as you can see in the next section, every 100 points are given €1 of Play Store credit. Then there are, of course, numerous ways to earn more points and maximize your rewards in the app. Other purchases that can be made for each purchase, the level of which is indicated, points that are required to obtain it. Let's now proceed to the final tab that includes perks. Gifts are available every Friday where you will find a gift, and usually they are in the form of Play Points. Points, however, you can also receive discounts for other Google products or services. Free months of services such as Google One, YouTube Premium, YouTube Music, and other related things and offerings. Similar naturally in the settings found at the top position. Located on the right side, here we also come across the history of points, the guides, and the support features. Terms of service and the different benefits that can be obtained upon reaching the specified milestones or requirements. At this point, we come across multiple levels, and now we leave Play Points and move on to, instead, see Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is nothing else. An app that provides paid surveys for 20 cents, 30 cents, and 10 cents to earn money online. As you can see here at the opening, we can observe the remaining credit. We observe a notice that informs us that on August 4th, a portion of my credit will expire, and I recommend being careful so that a few days before the expiration date, if you still have credit that will disappear, you can use it for make a purchase of a few apps or maybe some in-app purchases of a game. At the moment, I don't have any surveys pending, but they usually appear here in this. Initially, we have chips, and then we observe a second section dedicated to referrals. Yes, you have it correct if you invite one of your friends and he also stays employed at Google. Rewards, you have the opportunity to receive a credit reward. I will leave my referral link, so if you sign up from there, you will give and do. Take a small reward for me. You'll also get the first credit. Free item in Google Opinion Rewards. Let's verify by checking in the application menu. What we discover in My Tasks is the primary screen. And then we have the history section with all the rewards. As you can see, I earned almost 96 euros and 36 from. When I use reward, I'll show you since when I've been using it because it's almost 10. The years we go down here on the 17th of September 2014. So during the month of September, I have been utilizing rewards for a decade and have accumulated an average of 9.60 euros annually. I have typically allocated funds to provide support for highly fascinating developers of exceptionally interesting applications. However, we must remember that the monetary transaction must be done through the Play Store. Okay, let's return to the menu and examine this section that is of great significance. We need to fill in all the fields so that the frequency and number of surveys increases. Let us see for a moment what can be configured and then proceed to the first section. Leads us to activate notifications so as not to miss any survey as well. Because once a survey is notified, there is a specific time limit or deadline that must be adhered to. So activate the notifications. So in order to ensure that you do not miss any messages, we will need to add the word sorry. We need to incorporate our age into the Google account because the service is only for adult users. Then we need to have a payment profile on Google Play. You definitely have it active if you have previously made a purchase on the Play Store at any given point in time. We require the activation of precise device location and we are in need of it for our current needs. Enable uninterrupted access to the location by this application at all times, and then Google Opinion Rewards needs constant access to our location. In fact, even through the map location history, it manages to offer us surveys frequently connected to a purchase that we have made in the past, store or a monument that we visited. Let's continue. We must include the genre in the account in order to male, female, or any other gender identity we may have. And finally, but certainly not least, it is important that we must indicate the language in which we want to receive the surveys. First, we indicate the country, and then we indicate the language we want. I receive them both in Italian and in English, of course, living in. There are numerous additional ones in the Italian language, all right, subsequent to the configuration. In essence, our task is to wait for the surveys to arrive, so let's be patient and see what unfolds. The ultimate item in the settings, as you can clearly see, takes us to the management of the entire system. Historical location in Google Maps, the location history, and then there is another location that is also significant. Feature that provides us with the capability to either capture a photo directly or choose it from a selection. From the gallery in the event that or in case we are provided with what we want to do in the given case or situation. If the option for uploading had also been enabled on our user account. Clashes in receipts of our purchases will therefore arrive. Surveys that require participants to upload a photo of the receipt for this particular type of survey. Surveys only come to specific accounts. It is not applicable to all individuals, as you can observe. There is a final red button where we have the option to delete. Our opinion reward is finished for tonight as usual. I am hopeful that my videos will be appreciated, engaging and possibly even a tad enjoyable, and I suggest you provide me with some guidance to your friends. Subscribe to the channel, give me some likes, and don't forget, I leave the referral link to download Google Opinion in the description. Reward and get the first free credit, which I repeat currently in Italy. It's 40 cents. Hello everyone guys, thank you.